In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates to streamline your projects and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening Smartsheet and logging into your account. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and create one. With your credentials ready, this should be a simple process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center for all things Smartsheet, where you can access your sheets, reports, dashboards, and, more importantly, templates. Now, to locate the template gallery, direct your attention to the toolbar. Here, you'll either see a plus icon or a button labeled Create. Clicking on either of these options will trigger a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select Browse Templates. These are pre-made formats that can save you tons of time and effort. In the template gallery, you'll notice a wide array of categories available. Whether you're managing a project, overseeing marketing efforts, handling IT tasks, or even managing HR responsibilities, there's likely a category tailored to your needs. Smartsheet offers these varied templates to accommodate diverse business requirements. Don't forget to utilize the search bar and filters. These handy tools allow you to swiftly discover the template that's the perfect match for your current task or project. Once you've pinpointed a template category or utilized the search feature, it's time to select a specific template. Browse through the available options until you find one that aligns with your project requirements. You can click on the template to view its detailed description. This description can offer valuable insight into what you can expect from the template and help assure it fits with what you need. Settled on a specific template? Fantastic! Now you'll want to click the Use Template button. By doing so, a new sheet will spring to life based on that template's structure. This sheet is completely yours to mold and modify as necessary. Lastly, let's personalize that new sheet to better fit your project's intricacies. Most templates provide a solid foundation, but customization is key to catering to your individual needs. You can add or remove columns to reflect essential data points, adjust dates according to your timelines, and assign tasks to team members or colleagues directly within the sheet. These adjustments make sure that the sheet serves your purpose precisely and effectively. And there you have it. You've just harnessed the power of Smartsheet templates to simplify and optimize your workflow. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming more organized and efficient in your projects. Enjoy managing your tasks with your newly tailored sheet, and remember, the versatility of Smartsheet is at your fingertips anytime you need it.